It has been several weeks since the CDC issued guidance on reopening schools, and since then, several lawsuits have been filed against the state and districts in order to force a reopening. Good evening, I'm Mary Alice Demler.
Hello again, everyone. I'm Scott Levin. Join Your Side's Ron Plants followed the proceedings in state Supreme Court this afternoon and is live for us tonight with the latest on the lawsuits and the state's school reopening plan. Ron?
I can tell you, Mary Alice and Scott, that Justice Emilio Koliakovo really kind of laid down the law, so to speak, against the districts and the state with these school reopening court cases today that would involve Orchard Park and Williamsville. Now, attorney Paul Cambria had filed these cases on behalf of parents who want the schools fully open 5 days a week. By the way, that includes Robbie De Niro. That's the Orchard Park gym owner who won his business reopening case against the state. The judge denying request for a temporary restraining order, but did schedule court dates for later this month for preliminary injunctions against the districts, the state, and Governor Cuomo. And then he pressed the state's attorneys for when the governor, state health, and state education departments could issue guidance for that 3 feet distancing for students, which the CDC did back on March 19th. And he noted the state health commissioner talked about this back in February. Now, the state's attorney said the guidance could come down within a week. Of course, you may recall that's what the governor and his advisors kind of kicking this around during a press conference mentioned yesterday. So this could be moot if indeed they do this within a week. But the judge wants to make sure. Apparently, he did issue a decision saying that he wants a decision on this guidance by April 20th. The deadline he set, which he imposed, saying parents are too frustrated and frankly worried about their kids just not being in the classroom at this point. He also told the attorneys for the school districts, make sure they have their school reopening plans worked out by the end of the month or so, batting aside their spacing concerns about busing and cafeterias, and even saying teachers' unions really don't factor in this. So again, this judge really putting the districts and the state under the gun, so to speak, to get this done. And he said, by the way, we want to let you know there could be action tomorrow regarding the Grand Island School District and also the Clarence School District. They're actually going to be having a conference tomorrow for Grand Island, and Clarence will be in court on Thursday of next week. So that's the situation. We'll see if Albany is listening. Reporting live from downtown, I'm Ron Plants, Channel 2 News.